So I deal with quite a varied mixed load. So I deal with a lot of vulnerable road users, pedestrians, cyclists, and I also deal with a lot of people who were inside a motor vehicle at the time of the accident, whether it be drivers or passengers. I've been active with victims of road traffic accidents now for 13 years. I enjoy specialising in road traffic accident claims as road users can be some of the most vulnerable in society. I specifically enjoy helping clients through what can be one of the worst days in their lives. So a lot of people are misunderstanding that bringing a claim is mainly about compensation, which is a major part of bringing a claim, but also as solicitors we can assist our clients in things like rehabilitations as well, which obviously is quite an important part of getting them back on their feet and back into work. So to successfully bring a claim for a road traffic accident claim, you need to evidence that there's been a breach of duty and an actionable loss or damage. You must bring that claim within 3 years of the date of the accident, or if you're under 18 at the time of the accident, by your 21st birthday. We often act for clients on what is often referred to as a no-win, no-fee basis, or the technical term is a conditional fee agreement. The benefits of bringing a claim under a conditional fee agreement is essentially that you don't have to pay any money out of your own pocket, so to speak, so you don't have to fund the claim from the outset. If your claim is successful, then the likelihood is all that you'll have to pay is a percentage of any damages that you are awarded or receive. The other benefit of bringing a claim via a conditional fee agreement is that if the claim doesn't succeed, then you don't have to pay your solicitors for the work that's been done. The only important exception to that is that you must cooperate with your solicitors. So it's important to note some insurance companies may try and contact victims of a road traffic accident directly, this being the third party's insurance company. Under the whiplash reforms, pre-medical offers have been banned, but we are seeing insurance companies still attempting to settle claims directly with victims of road traffic accidents. It's really important that people contact solicitors and seek that legal advice to ensure that the claim is not undercompensated. The whiplash reforms affect any road traffic accident claim as of the 31st of May 2021. Essentially what the whiplash reforms are is it means that anybody who suffered a whiplash or soft tissue injury, they are subjected to a tariff scheme, so the amount of compensation that they can receive is very limited. It's important that people note, however, there are a lot of injuries that are not covered under the whiplash scheme, and therefore it's essential that people seek legal advice to ensure that they are fairly compensated for their injuries.